Today, I'm going to show you how to get 4,000 watch hours or 8,000 watch hours. If you've been struggling with how to get watch hours and you don't know how to actually get watch hours, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get 4,000 watch hours this month in less than 2 weeks. Now, I've seen a lot of creators teach how to use this method to get watch hours, but they make a huge mistake that would actually affect the watch hours, because you're not going to be getting any watch hours. You're going to be going live, but you're not going to be getting any watch hours. Now, this does not mean you have to go live. All this means is that you just have to play your video live, so your video just keeps looping and playing all over from the beginning to the end and starting again for hours, for days. And this is absolutely legal. This is accepted by YouTube, so it's not illegal to your YouTube channel. It's not going to hurt your YouTube channel. But what most creators teach is they say you should upload your video, which is very wrong, because it's not going to affect your watch hour positively. It's not going to count as your watch hour. But what you have to do is, the way that you're going to go about this is just to go into this website, playout.video. If you've seen this tutorial before, trust me, you are doing it wrongly. I'm going to show you the exact way that you're going to do it, and you're going to get 4,000 watch hours, 5,000 watch hours, 8,000 watch hours, regardless of how much watch hours you want. So, and ads are going to play on your video, so you're going to get monetized. Once you're here, all you have to do is to either log in with your email address or sign in with Google. So once you sign in like this, I'll just click on continue. So once you're in, you're going to see this page. All you have to do is just click on this one that says video replays. This is the only thing that you have to click. You just click on video replays. So once you come here, then you agree to the terms, and then you click on start for free. All you have to do is to either click this get started here or click this one. So I'll just click on this one here, get started. It will ask you run a channel that's always on. Air shows at specific time, go live right now on camera. So you want to come here to run a channel that's always on. This is what you want. So you want to click here, and then this is where most creators get it wrong. They ask you to add your content, click here and upload your content, but that is very wrong, because if you upload a video to this platform, it might not count to your watch hour, because YouTube's algorithm can be funny sometimes. So the right way for you to do this, for it to count to watch hours, is for you to carry a link of an existing video already on your channel. So you want to click import videos, so you can see, or import from a link with this YouTube icon here. All you have to do is click on it, and then you copy your video link and paste it here. So let's just say this is my video. I'll just come here and copy my video. You can do it from your channel. Click on share, and I'll copy it like this, and then I'll come back here and I'll just paste it. If I paste it here, then I'll click on find video, and it's going to locate that video. If the video is on your channel or the Gmail that you're connected to this account, it's going to find the video. You can see this is not even my video, and it has found it. You can see this is the video here, and all I have to do is to just click on the video like this, and I'll click on import. It's as simple as that. Once you click on import, you can connect your YouTube channel, and then you can go live. You can see it's importing it, is in the queue. I'll just click on done. So once you're done, I can just skip this for now, and then all I have to do is to go live. So I'll just rename my stream name. So I'm just going to put my channel name, so it's CMTO Digital. So the video is actually uploaded in the background. When it's done, I'll just click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to attach your YouTube account, to log into your YouTube, just like you logged into your Gmail. So you just have to authenticate your actual YouTube channel that you want to go live on. You just have to authenticate it here. Once you click on authenticate, then you click on go live. Once you click on go live, it is going to be streaming your YouTube video. You can see the video is done. I can click on continue now. If I click on continue now, you can see connect channel. If I click here, it's going to ask me for my YouTube. I'll just click here, and then I'll connect a YouTube channel. It's going to open my Gmail account, and I'm just going to select the one I want. I'll click on this one. So it's going to try to sign into my Gmail account. You want to sign into your actual channel Gmail, the Gmail that is connected to your channel. So once I click on continue, I can go live, but right now it's at capacity. So if you want to use this method, there are different other platforms. You can do this exact thing. So you can try those ones out, or you can try it out in the night when a lot of people are not actually using it. So most times it works early in the morning or in the night. You can try it out in the night. You can go live in the night. Then they're not going to be at capacity. Then you can try it out, and you start getting a lot of watch hours. You can start getting 500 watch hours, 1,000 watch hours. That's how easy it is for you to start getting watch hours. Super easy. I just had to do a quick one. But you want to select a YouTube video. That's your video, and then you want to put it here instead of uploading a video. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in another video.